The big boy will also be ITC, the big outperformer of 2022 so far. Mangalam is here with the key expectations. Mangalam.
It's expected to be a smoking hot quarter for ITC this time around. The stock has been smoking up almost, 57%, 58% this year itself, going into numbers at a fresh 52-week high. And it is a good quarter that the street is expecting. Why is that? Well, because the cigarette business is likely to, show 14 to 15% sort of volume growth. For FMCG, their margins are likely to stay stable quarter on quarter and year on year. And that is something that the street will like primarily because all the other pockets of FMCG are seeing margin decline. And hotel business will see a very strong revival, just the way we have seen it in the first quarter. And other, verticals of ITC, both agri as well as paper business, are likely to show 30 to 40% sort of growth. So to put all these numbers into perspective, a 28% revenue growth is what the street is working with this time around, 16,300 crores on the top line. The EBITDA actually jumps 32% because of good performance coming in from tobacco and all their other verticals as well. That would mean margins at around 34.2%, and the net profit would grow around 19%, close to around that 4,400 crore mark on the top line. The company explicitly does not, talk about cigarette volumes, but this time around revenue growth of 16 to 18% would mean a cigarette volume growth of 14 to 15% and an EBIT growth in the cigarette business of around 18 to 20 odd percent. The FMCG business likely to show about 10 to 12% growth. If you just take a look at the hotel business, anywhere between 80 to 100% is what the street is working with in terms of revenue growth coming in on a low base. And the other verticals, both agri as well as paper business, likely to show anywhere between 25 to 30% growth year on year.